Tren de Aragua is the largest criminal organization in Venezuela with over 5,000 members. Tren de Aragua is led by Hector Rustenford Guillermo Flores, alias Niño Guerrero. He was incarcerated in Tocoron prison, which functioned as the organization's headquarters. The gang has since expanded throughout Latin America and the United States amidst the Venezuelan refugee crisis, with the growth of the gang following the migration of Venezuelans to host nations. Due to the severity of its crimes, combating the gang has become a priority to many nations where Tren de Aragua has entered. So pretty much,